Good afternoon, children. This is Hanuman sir here. As you know, in your previous classes, we are discussing about rational numbers, right? What do you mean by rational numbers? Yes, rational numbers, the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0 for all pq belongs to integers, right? Yes. And also we are discussing about rational numbers of a given two rational numbers, right? There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, right? Yes. Today also we are going to discuss about how to convert the given rational number into decimal or the given decimal numbers to rational, right? So a rational number can be converted into a decimal either by the long division method or by writing an equivalent rational number with the denominator as 10 or a power of 10 and then expressing the equivalent rational number as a decimal. Okay, let me start the question. Express 15 by 4. Express 15 by 4 has a decimal expansion, as a decimal expansion or decimal number. Okay, children. In this sum, by using long method, we have to do by long division method. Long division method. Here we have so 15 by 4 is the divisor and 15 is the dividend, right? So 4 is the divisor and 15 is the dividend. So we should do by long division method. So 4 is the divisor and 15 is the dividend. So 4 4s are 16. By multiplication we should take so 4 4s are 16. So 16 is more greater than 15. So we take 4 3s are 12. So 15 minus 12 after subtraction. So we can subtract 12 from 15. We get 5 minus 2 3 and 1 minus 1 0, right? Again, second step, we are going to take decimal because 3 is more less than 4. So by taking decimal, 3 becomes 30. So 4 sevens are, as you know that 4 sevens are 28. By subtraction, so we can subtract 28 from 30, we get 2. So we can take here 1 is carry, so 0 becomes 10, 10 minus 8 2, 2 minus 2 0. By taking decimal, so 2 becomes 20. Here 4 5s are 20, hence the remainder will be 0. Therefore 15 by 4 is equals to the decimal expansion of 15 by 4 is 3.75. 3.7, we can read as 3.75. Here the integer part is 3 and the decimal part is 7.75. Okay, therefore it is a terminating decimal expansion. It is a terminating decimal expansion because remainder is equals to 0, hence the given rational number is a terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so that word terminating, so the terminating decimal expansion is usually defined as a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal point. right? So the decimal expansion, the terminating decimal expansion is usually defined as a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal point. For example, here we have the given rational number 15 by 4. So the decimal expansion of 15 by 4 is 3.75. So remainder must be equals to 0 here. Hence it is a terminating decimal expansion. So I am going to give this example to another method. Yes, there is a another alternative method. Let me start the alternate method for this. Express 15 by 4. Express 15 by 4 has a decimal number. Okay, so this is a alternate method. By writing an equivalent rational number with the denominator has a 10 or a power of 10, right? So by writing an equivalent rational number with the denominator has a 10 or a power of 10, so 15 by 4 we can multiply by decimal has a 10 or a power of 10. So this is becomes, we need to multiply, equating the denominator must be equals to 100. So 25 4s are 100. So we can multiply 25 on both numerator and denominator we get. So by multiplying numerator to numerator, here 25 into 15 is 375 and 25 4s are 100. Therefore so the decimal expansion of 15 by 4 can be written as 375 by 100. So we know that the decimal chart, after the decimal it is unit, tens, 100, 10,000, etc. here. So after decimal this is decimal, after decimal this is 1 by 10, next is 1 by 100 and so on. Okay, so here how many zeros are there in the denominator? Yes, there are 2 decimals are there. Hence 15 by 4 can be written as, see, I am going to put decimals in 375. So this is 1 0 and this is second 0. So 375 we can divide 100 by 375, we get 3.75. Is it clear to all children? Okay, I will repeat again this. Express 15 by 4 as a decimal number. So here denominator is 4 and numerator is 15. 4 is the divisor and 15 is the dividend, right? So by using a decimal factor, the power of 10 method, so by writing an equivalent rational number with the denominator has 10 or a power of 10, so 15 by 4 we can take so this is a zeroth term, so 20 we can multiply 25 on both numerator and denominator, we get 25 4s are 100 and 25 into 15 we get 375 according to decimal chart. So here, so integer part is 3 and decimal part is 75. So before the decimal factor is called integer part, and after the decimal part decimals we call it as decimal part. So here we have 3 is the integer part and 75 is the decimal part. Okay, so the decimal expansion of 15 by 4 is equals to 3.75. So hence it is and terminating decimal expansion. So the terminating decimal expansion is usually defined as a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal part. Here when the repeating digit is 0, the number is usually labeled as terminating. Clear? So I am going to give the second example. See the second example. Express 2 by 3 has a decimal expansion or decimal number, right? I'll repeat the question. Express 2 by 3 has a decimal expansion. So I am going to do this by long division method. By long division method. Okay, so here 2 by 3 means 2 divides 3. 2 divides 3 and 3 is the divisor and 2 is the dividend. 3 is the divisor and 2 is the dividend. So by doing long division, see 2 is lesser than 3, so we take a decimal. By taking decimal, 2 becomes 20, so 3 sevens are 21, so we take 3 6 18, subtract 18 from 20, we get 2 is the remainder. Again by taking decimal 0, 2 becomes 20, again 3 6 18. So 20 minus 18, we get remainder 2. We can subtract 18 from 20, we get 2. By taking decimal, 2 becomes 20, again 3 6 18, so 20 minus 18 2. Hence so the remainder of a given decimal expansion is 2. It contains, hence it contains recurring. Hence it contains recurring decimal expansion. Can you identify recurring here? Yes. So the integer part of a of an given decimal. So 0 is the integer part and 6 is the decimal part. So it can be denoted as 0.6, but this is known as recurring. Recurring means the most oftenly repeated term. The most oftenly repeated term after the decimal, we call it as a recurring decimal expansion. So here 2 by 3, the decimal expansion of 2 by 3 is 0.666. It contains a recurring form. Okay, thank you.